Day 31. Okay, I'm going to start over here with number 2. You can go in whatever order you want, and you can pause the video at any time. You're going to round the following number, 562,843, to the nearest thousand, to the nearest 10, to the nearest 100,000. Okay, over here for number 4, you're going to find the product of 537 and 4. Remember, product is the answer to a multiplication problem. Number 1, write the following number in standard form: 16 10,000s, 64 hundreds, 9 ones, 6 tenths. Make sure to use your place value down below. And number 3, Darnell has 9 quarters, 4 pennies, 3 $1 bills, and 6 nickels. Draw models of this amount of money below. What is the total amount? What digit is in the tenths place?